Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. So, welcome to Heather Tech, and today we will discuss the new topic regarding the IoT. In the IoT, we are going to design a fire monitoring system. Okay, if the fire will be detected, the ceiling sprinkle get start and sprinkle the water in that area. Okay, so this is our scenario. What it will do, what the fire monitoring system will do, if you will bring the fire near to the fire detector, it will check the fire and detailed signal of high or low will be sent based on the current detection. High for the fire and low for the no fire detected. So it will send two signal, high and low. High mean there is a fire and low mean no fire. Okay, so let's make the connection and we can start our practical now. Okay, so how we can start the practical, take this cable, connect with the D0, okay, here, and also connect the D0 here. This is my input pin. Okay, so this is the input pin. If you will see, D0 is my input pin, so it will take the input, MCU will take the input from the fire monitoring. Okay, so if the fire is detected, then it will give the output from the other pin. Okay, so we will select the pin here, D1. Okay, so D1 will be the output, it will produce the output on D1. Okay, so now it is connected. Okay, so what we need to do now, I will write a simple program in MCU. So in the simple program, what we need to do, we will click it here, and so in the program, so click on the programming language. Okay, and you can see the program here. We need to select the Python. Okay, so we need to select the Python. So we write the new program, we will say the fire detector. Okay, so this is not a Java program, we will see it is a empty Python program. Okay, so create, that's all, and now you can go to the main py. Okay, and you need to start writing a program. So let me write the program here. First we need to import the, let me make little bit zoom so it will be more clear for you. Okay, so let me zoom and you can make it more clear. Okay, so first what we need to do, please let me know, tell me now, from GPIO pin you need to import this file. Okay, so you need to import this library GPIO. Okay, let me make little bit more zoom, import. So then you need to also import, 1 minute. Okay, then you need to also import the time library from time import. Okay, so after that what we need to do, we need to write a function. Okay, so for function writing, just write def, and this is the function name, handle, handle sensor data. Okay, so this is the function name. It will, okay, so first I thought I can write a program, then I will explain you line by line. So now I'm going to explain you line by line because now the program is almost ready. Okay, so what to do now, I will explain you here. So we set a function called handle sensor data. This is, we set this function. Okay, so what it will do, it will read a value by using this function. Okay, it will read this digital read. This is again one more function, we call it here digital read function. It will read a value from port number 0, because it will read, this MCU will read the value from port number 0. Okay, so this function will read the value and save it in this variable value. We just name it value. This is a variable. Okay, so whatever the value it will read, it will save it in this variable. Okay, if the value is 0, it means low. Okay, 0 mean low, high and low. Okay, so custom dot write, this function, what it will do, 0 mean, this 0 mean no fire. It will send a 0 signal to port number 1. Okay, it will send there is no fire. Okay, so this 0 mean no fire, and it will send a 1. 1 mean there is no fire. Okay, no fire is detected. So if 1, it will send a 1 signal. 1 1 mean fire, so mean if it is detected 1 from digital port number 0. Okay, from digital port number 0, if it is detected 1, so it will send a 1 signal. 1 mean the fire, so it will detect, okay, the fire is detected, and then it will act accordingly. Okay, the sprinkle will get on and it will start sprinkling the water. Okay, now let me run the program, you will see the output by yourself. Okay, so now this is the program I'm going to run. You can see the program is running now. Let me bring the fire closer to the fire monitor. You will see fire monitoring system. You can see, so once we bring closer to the fire monitor, so it starts sprinkling the water. You can see here it will also show the fire is detected because of this print message. So once I will again, you can see, bring closer, because it has the range to detect the fire from this range. Okay, you can see start sprinkling the water. So this is the program for today. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Assalam.